What's up YouTube? It's Hellcat J. You already know it's another video. Today's a very special day for me. Well, cause a couple things. Well, yesterday I did something crazy. I got rid of my daily driver, which was a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. And it was a great car. It was fully loaded, quilted leather interior, wood grain everywhere on the steering wheel, panoramic roof. I loved it. But for some reason, the exterior of the car, I just wasn't about it. It just wasn't my vibe. So I thought, because I'm a father and I have a kid and I pick her up every day from the babysitter, I was like, what kind of family car could I get that would fulfill that itch, that need for something aggressive, something sporty? Well, without further ado, well, first say hi to you guys already know. This is the Hellcat. It's been wrapped red, as we spoke about before. I mean, she's looking great. And then right here is my new introducing my new family car, my daily driver, a 2018 Dodge Charger GT. And yes, it's a V6. I did that on purpose because gas prices are crazy. I needed the all-wheel drive for the snow. But I do have big plans for these cars, both of them. As you know, I'm gonna be taking my Hellcat to get wide body pretty soon, as soon as the guys get back to the wrap shop. I mean, they had a family emergency and they had to fly out to Colombia at Gargom Wraps in Union City. Shout out to them, they did a good job. But they've been out there for like 2 weeks now. So as soon as they get back, we're gonna finish the wide body on the Hellcat. But I also just ordered today the entire wide body kit from Vicrez for the Charger. So included in that, I'll show a picture right here. Included in that is a new front bumper, side skirts, a rear diffuser, and the rear bumper. And of course, the fender flares that are gonna make it look sick. Take a look at this, guys. Mopar and no car, baby. I'm in love, man. I'm very blessed. I'm very fortunate. Right behind me is the house that I just bought, and I'm happy to put my family in the house. My daughter, my wife, and my mother-in-law, we're all living together. It's a beautiful situation. I'm very fortunate, and I feel very blessed. And to be able to have two of my dream cars is sick. I mean, come on. So yeah, again, this is the goal right here. I'm gonna put a picture up for the goal for the Charger. Yeah, I'm gonna do the louvers and everything. I'm gonna make it look real mean. And yeah, what there won't be any up badging. I'm not doing any of that crap. I'm not gonna put fake Hellcat badges. Why? Well, number one, I got a real Hellcat, and number two, I think that shit is whack. I've seen a couple on the road and it's just, I'm just like, bruh. So yeah, I just picked up the Charger yesterday. I'll do a full review on it later, but I don't like boring interiors. So I've never actually seen this interior color in a Charger. It's got this like cream and black with like orange stitching. Pretty cool, man. One thing that I did sacrifice from going from the Grand Cherokee Summit to this was a sunroof. I hate not having a sunroof. Every car I've owned has had some form of sunroof or has been a convertible, and I just love them. I love seeing the sky. I love having some wind, and sometimes not having it all in your face. So today I'm actually taking the Charger on day 2 of ownership to a shop out here. Actually, it's right across the street from me, right over there. And they're gonna install an aftermarket sunroof for 1,800 bucks. I wanted to do a video on that, see how that goes. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. I'm feeling fortunate. I got 2 of my dream cars right here in the driveway. I mean, what else could a man ask for? All right, guys, so I'll catch you back when I get into that shop. I forgot the name of it. I'll give them proper credit when I get there, and we'll go from there, man. So yeah, stay tuned. Big things coming for both of these cars. Mopar, baby.